The Supreme Court has also questioned the rate of testing going down in Delhi. The Supreme Court has said when COVID daily numbers are over 1,000 in the national capital, we do not understand how testing has gone down. Evolve a procedure so that more tests can be held. That's the latest that is coming in at the moment. Anisha is still with us, getting us those details. Anisha, Supreme Court picking up a very valid point on how the testing numbers are going down despite over 1,000 cases rising in Delhi per day, questioning the Delhi government over the low rate of testing as well. How does the Delhi government respond to this?
Well, Charity, the Delhi government has been given 1 week to respond. As I was just saying, the Supreme Court has asked for a report from the Delhi Chief Secretary on what the rate of testing is happening, because what the court has said is that Bombay and Chennai have increased their testing rates per day to 15,000 and 17,000 respectively. So why is it that Delhi went down from 6,000 per day in May to about 4,000 to 5,000 in June? And that is a very, very pertinent question that is being raised by the Supreme Court now, that what exactly is happening? Why don't we have adequate testing facilities? And this, Chetty, is something that a lot of people have raised as a question. Even the Delhi High Court yesterday had raised the same question, that why is it that hospitals which are admitting patients do not have testing facilities? What exactly is happening? And the situation in the capital, of course, we've seen in the last few.
All right, Anisha, continue to stay with us right there, getting us the breaking details as far as the Supreme Court is concerned. Supreme Court pulling up the Delhi government, one on the low testing figures as well, and on the state of the hospitals in terms of the procedure when it comes to the dead bodies too. We'll continue tracking the story in much detail as we go along the way. Staying with